welcome back to Semaj's Fun Adventures. Today we will make easy, delicious pizza toast. So here are the ingredients you will need. You need room temperature butter. Semaj's Fun Adventures. Garlic powder with Italian seasoning. 2 slices of bread, tomato sauce, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, a pan with wax paper.
Or parchment paper.
Or parchment paper.
Okay, so let's make these delicious pizza toast. You ready, Semaj?
Yes!
All right. Okay, so I have a spoon. So go ahead and spread some butter on the bread. So go ahead and do that. Scoop it up. Spread some butter. Go ahead. On the back of the spoon, so it'll be much easier. Yeah, you don't.
Yeah.
So you scoop it up and then at the back of the spoon. There you go. Very good. So, okay, make sure it's all spread. Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm just gonna put more.
All right. Okay, that's a lot of butter. All right.
Yeah. I love my food, guys. Buttery.
Okay.
Buttery, delicious.
Flip it. All right, there, facing down. What this is?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Right. Okay, so go ahead and do your thing.
This?
Yes.
No, that's mine.
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's okay. Go ahead. Put it on your side. Spread the tomato sauce. Very good.
Yep.
Okay.
Guys, I made a smiley face.
Smiley face. Italian seasoning
With garlic powder.
with garlic. So just go ahead and no.
Right.
You want to take a pinch and just sprinkle it.
Pinch.
Yes, a pinch and sprinkle. Just move those little fingers. There you go.
Cheese.
Mozzarella cheese. So go ahead and
Have a pinch?
no, you could grab as much cheese as you want and just sprinkle it on your toast.
A bread.
On your bread. Oh yeah, it's not toasted yet. Here comes your favorite topping, which is
Pepperoni. Oops, pepperoni.
pepperoni. So load it up, Semaj.
Oops. Alright.
Just place it there. How many pepperonis you guys like?
You guys already get what I'm gonna do, right?
There you go. I put 6 pepperonis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Again with my smiley face.
Okay.
That's his mouth, that's his cheeks. That's his nose.
Right. So can you count how many pepperonis do we have in total?
So 6 plus 6 equals 12.
Right. Good job. Okay, so this is pretty much it for just a plain pepperoni cheese pizza toast. Alright,
So here what the pizza toast looks like. So you need to cool this down for a couple minutes.
right, make sure it's cooled down because it could be hot, so you want to give it a taste.
Yes.
All right. Ooh, look at that cheese and pepperoni.
It's actually kind of hot.
Kind of hot still. Mmm. How is it, Semaj? Look at that cheese, the mozzarella cheese. How is it, Semaj? Okay. Wow, it looks delicious to me. Well, there you go, guys. This is how we make easy, delicious pizza toast. Okay, so it's time to say bye to our friends, Semaj.
Bye. Make sure you hit that like button, and also while you're doing it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next fun adventures.
Bye.
Bye.
See you guys all at the next fun adventure. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Let's eat the pizza. I'm hungry.